Today, I'd like to show you the trailer-mounted folder boom type aerial work platform. It is one of the most ideal aerial lifting platforms for indoor and outdoor maintenance work. It can rotate 380 degrees in the air, and the platform height ranges from 8 meters to 20 meters. It is driven by diesel, batteries, and AC, and is widely used in community units, road lighting maintenance, high-altitude maintenance in factories, construction sites, and so on. Nowadays, our workers are demonstrating the sea when it is in operation, and the aerial work platform is slowly descending. The control hub for operating the aerial work platform from the ground is this part, which contains 3 joysticks. This is the scene of using a mobile loading bridge as a pedal to load the trailer-mounted folding boom type aerial work platform onto a freight truck. If you're interested in the trailer-mounted folding boom aerial work platform and want to know more, feel free to contact me.